Hello and welcome to day 29 of IT Tips. Today I'm going to take an old photo which I've scanned and I'm going to make some improvements to it using the tips that we learned in the last couple of days. So this is a photo that I've used my scanner to scan, but you can see that the photo was actually quite small and the scanner scans in A4. So the first thing I'm going to do is crop. So I'm going to open Edit, crop and rotate. This time I don't want to keep the aspect ratio, so I've set it for custom, and I'm just going to drag up this bottom corner to get rid of all the white space, and I'm going to wait until I get really close to the edge of the photo, and then I must have had it slightly off the edge of the scanner. So that looks better already. Now I'm going to go into the adjustments and I'm going to just change some of these settings a little bit. I'm going to just increase the exposure a fraction, but I'm watching my child's face. I don't want to make him too pale. I'm going to reduce the contrast slightly. Reduce the highlights just slightly, take some of the glare off his face, and just lighten the rest of the photo by increasing the shadows. Then in colour, I might not change much of the colour actually. Let's just have a little look. Make him a little bit warmer, just fractionally. And I'm going to increase the clarity just a little bit as well. Okay, but what I really want to do is fix some of the dust on my photo. So right at the bottom I've got this spot fix, and it produces a little spot, and when I put the spot over a piece of dust and click, it removes the dust. So I can go through my picture and any bits, white spots, little things that I don't want, I can get rid of. So particularly on this sofa, I don't want the focus to be on spots of dust on my sofa. You have to be a little bit careful where you click because it's not perfect. So for example, if I was to click on this spot here, you can see it's distorted the text slightly. If you do something like that and you don't like it, Ctrl-Z will undo. Let's just have a look at this side. I'm going to take out just a few of the scratches and spots and things on this side. That's it. That's much better. And then I'm going to finally have a little look at my son. Actually, I don't like that. I'll leave him with a spot on his head. And if you wanted to, you could zoom in and... Oh no, I don't like that either. So you don't have to remove everything, but you can improve your photo as much as you want to. I'm just going to take some of the spots off the fire and scratches off the carpet, like that. When you're really happy with it, you can either save a copy or you can just save over the original. I really don't want the original, so I'm just going to save. That's much better. Hope that was helpful. See you tomorrow.